Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Littlestarplans. I'm excited to show you an unboxing video of Moterm. I'm very excited to show you guys. And so I actually ordered this on July 11th and I got it today, which is, let me quickly check, 29th, about like a week and a half almost. Short time for this planner to arrive. So I did receive in a envelope packaging first. It's on white and I removed that already. Comes with a almost like a cardboard packaging, super lightweight, and it has its name here, Moterm. So both ends have an opening as well as this. So I ordered A5, doesn't have rings, but I'm planning on using it for my Hobonichi Cousin. So I want to show you guys. So open this. I'm very excited. I was thinking that it will come like in late August, but I'm surprised it came very early on. I'm trying to open this. This is a struggle. Okay, let me see. Okay, one second. Let me try to open the other end. I don't know, I'm having a hard time trying to open this. So I haven't opened this box yet, so it'll be on my first impression. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of this box. So within the box comes with a little packaging as well. It's all the same packaging. And then voila! Here is the cover. This is the dust bag. So we'll put this away. Okay, so first impression, this is actually a really nice dust bag. It's not their typical dust bag that you would find other planners or other bags that you find. Okay, so it has this embedded name, Moterm. On the back, it doesn't have anything. It's very soft at the top, and then it does come with like a string at the top where you can close the bag. And then here we are. Okay, so first impression. Oh, nice. Okay, so I got beige. I was debating whether to get the white or the beige, but this looks more like a slightly beige. Yeah, slightly beige. So I think it's quite accurate from the picture that they show on the website. But if you look closely, I noticed the enclosures, it does have like a slight darker shade color. I don't know if I'm a big fan of that. I want all the color to be consistent, but it's fine. I think over time I will get used to it. In terms of the stitching, it's actually very straight and very clean. So if you can see, the stitching is really clean. And I like about that. So the stitching is really nice all around. And then on the back stitching is also nice too. Very straight. It's very accurate what others have said. The cover is very squishy and soft. But I have a feeling that I might get this cover get dirty over time. Okay, let's open the inside. Ta-da! It comes with this piece to help it make the planner cover stay in place, so I don't need that anymore. It does come with 2 strings. That's nice. It does come with a pen loop. It looks big though. I'm not sure if you can see like the way how they sewn it. Like it looks like the top part is smaller than the bottom. Can you tell? I think I need to put a pen in there to kind of test out. Okay, so there is a pocket on the right. There's a long pocket, 2 pockets, and a bunch of pockets on the left. And they did provide a card, which is kind of nice. It's their own business card. And just a huge pocket on the side. Wow, this is actually really nice. I don't know if I like the color though. It is beige. I don't know. I was thinking the white might look better. The beige is a little bit off, like a little bit off pink color. See, this is a huge pocket. I don't know how to describe it. This is such a big pocket. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna bring my Hobonichi and I'll show you guys what that looks like in a bit. Okay guys, I am back. So I got my Hobonichi Cousin here. So let's imagine that it's sort of in the cover. And I brought a pen with me, so this time we can actually test it out. And it will look like this. Okay, so it's very snug once you put the pen in the pen loop. I don't think it'll fall off. So I just realized I wasn't recording the entire time when I was explaining, so I am gonna test out this pen loop so it doesn't fall off. So that's kind of nice. And then one thing about this cover is that when you do close it, when you have your Hobonichi in the cover, the pen loop's in the way. So you have to sort of like kind of push it on the side, but the only issue is that you are stretching the stitching on the side, so which may not be a good thing over time. So once you do that, if you do want to close your cover, like place the snap on, but I feel like it's stretching the planner cover, so I don't know if this is a good thing for the long term. It does squish the Hobonichi tabs, so having tabs in your Hobonichi Cousin may not be an ideal for this cover. That's the downfall, but I do agree with what others have said about this cover, which is like very squishy, very soft, very nice cover, and the stitching is really well done too. But if you have a smaller planner, it may fit in this A5 cover. It is A5. I was hoping that my Hobonichi Cousin will fit in there. But let me try to remove the cover and put it in the cover, so I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. So I am not used to seeing my Hobonichi Cousin without the cover. I have never taken it off, but this is kind of nice actually. Let's give that a try. Let's put it in. Let's give this a try. Ooh, it's like snug in there. Oh, I'm so afraid of like bending my planner. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, I'm doing this for you guys. Oh my god, I feel like I'm breaking my planner. This is not good. You know what? I feel like I don't want to bend my planner. It's so hard. I think I might just do this, like put it on one end, tuck it in. I think this is the best way to put your Hobonichi Cousin there. Tuck it one cover in the pocket and then just open up whenever you want to use it. And I think next time, don't put some tabs on the Hobonichi Cousin, otherwise this cover will not fit. And these strings are nice. I feel like because it's so far away, in the middle of the spine, I don't know if it'll work. Let's give that a try. So let's say, I don't know, August 9th. Okay, or not 9th. I don't, for whatever reason I thought it was August 9th. Anyways, I think it's September 2nd. Let's give that a try. And let's say bookmark in the back of the pages. So let's see how that looks. So you can see like the strings are kind of stretching it. So it might be ideal that both of your covers are tucked in, but in my situation, I don't want to bend my planner even further. It might not fit perfectly. And then I probably won't enclose this planner just because it's damaging my tabs on the side. Yeah. So I think other than that, we'll do like leave it as open, and whenever I want to use it, I just like open my planner. Use the string to kind of find my position. It looks like that. And then I can put like stickers, but I really like enjoy the pocket. The pocket's huge. Look how big that is. Overall, I do enjoy this cover, but the only downfall is that I bought this A5 cover simply for Hobonichi Cousin, hoping that I could place the existing cover, but unfortunately it does not fit perfectly. If you do have tabs, that's another thing that you need to watch out for. It will not protect your tabs. It will be overhanging. So, and then one downfall is I really don't like the pen holder. It is kind of touching my tabs and my planner, so that's one downside, is that it's really awkward the way it was sewn onto. But it would be nice if it was on the side, but it's not. But other than that, I do enjoy the cover. It does look very nice. The color is still what I expected, beige. It does have like a tint of like pink color to it, but not so much of a true beige color. It's close enough to be white, but yeah, it has a little bit of pink to it. So I hope this review does help you guys kind of decide what planner cover you guys, or if you guys are planning to get the A5 and wanted to see what the beige color looks like. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.